Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who shared your post on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. As Instagram doesn't provide a direct way for users to see who shared their post on their story, however, there are a couple of indirect methods that you can try. Other people will only be able to share your post to their story if you have allowed the permissions on your privacy. If not, then the others will not be able to share your post to their story. Now, if someone shares your post to their story, they might send you a direct message about it, or you will also get a notification on your account saying that you have been mentioned on their story. Whenever someone posts your post to their story, you will be tagged. That's why you get a notification saying that you have been mentioned. But remember that the notification will not last for a long time, so you have to check manually on your account on the notifications. To see a notification, you just have to simply tap on the heart icon from the upper right corner, and on this section you will get a notification saying that you have been mentioned if someone have shared your post to their story. Or you can also simply check your DMs by tapping on the message icon from the upper right corner as well, and if someone have mentioned you, they might also send you a direct message. But keep in mind that not everybody who shares your post may choose to send you a DM. And that's how you see who shared your post on Instagram story. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.